Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make a Notion-inspired bass using Wavetable with the preset, instrument rack and MIDI for this video available for free in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can leave suggestions for other artists you'd like me to cover in the comments. I'll start by deleting everything and soloing the channel. Let's load in an instance of Wavetable. First, I'll change the bass to monophonic. For oscillator 1, I'll select the beating 2 wavetable and transpose the whole synth down by an octave. Let's take the wavetable position up a little and activate the sub. We'll increase the level. And increase the tone. As you could probably hear, this gives us more subby low end weight. Let's go to the matrix and assign envelope 2 to oscillator 1's wavetable position. Now let's tweak envelope 2. We're not quite there yet, so let's take the filter cutoff down. And change it to 24. Now we need to go back to the matrix and modulate the filter cutoff using envelope 2. The SMP filter works great for this sound, and we're going to add some drive. This is getting a bit loud, so take the volume down a bit. Let's activate the classic unison mode and bring the amount down. I want to add more body, so I'll activate oscillator 2. Move the wavetable position to more of a square or triangle shape and take the level down. Now let's modulate oscillator 2's wavetable position with envelope 2 for more movement. Finally, we'll tweak our amp envelope. So this is our finished patch. At the moment it's quite wide, so let's add a utility. Mono the bass below 500 Hz and decrease the width. Now we'll add an EQ and boost some of the low frequencies. Next, we can add a saturator for grittier sounds. Just going to experiment with some of the settings on this. We'll try out soft clip for more distortion. And usually I'll filter out some of the highest frequencies since they can get a bit abrasive when we use heavy distortion. So without and with. I'm adding another EQ to remove some low-end rumble. and chorus to add width. Here I'll take the dry wet to 100% so I can listen to just the sound of the chorus. And now we can take the dry wet back down. I want to add more width back, but I want the bass to be mono compatible, so I'm going to use the free wider plugin. These types of basses tend to be pre-compressed. So I'm going to use a limiter, and again I'm activating the soft clip here. If you like, you can add reverb. I'd recommend something like this basement preset, since it's a shorter, darker reverb, although you could try something brighter. I think I prefer this sound very dry. Finally, let's add a compressor for some sidechaining. So we'll select the source as the kick from our project. And now I'm just tweaking the settings to taste. And that's the video. Please leave any questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.